Hey everyone, it's Mario. Thanks for joining me. Today we're not talking food or tools or anything like that. We're talking about giveaways, so stick around. Several months ago I did a video about a giveaway that was coming, and I hit 1,000 users a few weeks ago, so the giveaway is here. The first part of the giveaway that you probably have seen if you watched the video was the car camera. And this is going to record what's going on in front of your vehicle for accident purposes or whatever the case is. Now this does have two cameras, however the rear camera is solely for backups. So if you put it in reverse, the camera comes on, it does not record. I'm also including a brand new 32 gig card, which is supposedly car camera friendly due to the high read-write rates on it. There are a couple of gotchas with this. Number one, you need to watch my two previous videos on this. I will put links in the description. You need to watch them. You need to like them. You need to say, I want to win this. And you have to say, I want to win the dash cam in the video. A couple of things about this. If your state does not permit you to have these kinds of devices in your car, do not ask to win this prize. I will not be responsible if you get a ticket, if you get arrested, or whatever the case may be. Number two, I've tried shipping things across the world and it doesn't work out. It's complex. So this is going to be limited to the United States, and unfortunately not only that, this does not include Alaska and Hawaii for some other reasons. So it's basically the 48 states and no Alaska or Hawaii. I apologize, but that's just the way it's got to be. Value about this, I paid. This is not a sponsored event. I bought this. It wasn't what I wanted, so I am giving it to you free of charge. I am paid for the product. I am paying for shipping, and I will send you this at no cost. Again, just in this video, you need to just say, I want to win the dash cam. Number two, you need to be a subscriber for at least 30 days. And you might say, but I am not going to do the drawing for 30 days. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe today, because that is one of the requirements, that you are a subscriber. Okay, that's out of the way. Number two prize. Yes, it's a mini crock pot, 16 ounces. Now, we bought two of these. However, one has been sitting in the box, and we're not going to use it. The one we have is plenty because we have the other crock pot, the bigger crock pot, but this is great. We've put queso in this and dips, anything you want to keep warm. This has never been opened. Well, let me correct that. I opened this once, 5 minutes ago. I took it out of the package, plugged it in to make sure it worked. There's no plastic wrap around it. It's just tightly packed in foam. This is yours for free. I will pay, again, 48 states. No Alaska, Hawaii. Again, I apologize. That's just some of the limitations. I am not responsible for anything you do to this that you shouldn't be doing. So, disclaimer, I am not responsible for what you do to this thing. Again, the gotchas with this is you have to like, subscribe, and say in the description, I want to win this prize. I will do a drawing. I'm not going to put names in a hat. I'm going to use one of those programs that allow you to win. That's how it's going to be. My decisions are final. If you win this and for some reason you realize you cannot have it, I'll try to work something out for you. Maybe I will send you another crock pot. I don't know, something like that, within reason. This value is probably like $40 or so. This is not that expensive. This is probably like a $20, $30 product. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Again, like, subscribe, put in the description what you want to win. If you want to win both, put in you want to win both. You have to watch the videos I tell you need to watch. There's two videos of this, one looking at it and one with the video. You have to like them. You have to make a comment in those videos. Otherwise, you are not eligible. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you like these type of videos, especially the giveaway videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you know when I'm putting out new videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Take care.